Hey, in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how we're getting paid $20 or more every time someone simply clicks their mouse. And they don't even have to buy anything. We also don't need paid traffic, we don't need to show our face on camera, we don't have to write emails, we don't have to spam people on social media, we just have to get people to simply click on our links. As long as people click on our links, we get to enjoy repeat payments of $20 over and over and over. Although $20 seems small, it can snowball into a serious income. Let me show you. If 25 people click, we can make $500. If 50 people click, we can make $1,000. If 100 people click, we could make $2,000. Does the sound of that excite you? Then give your full attention to this short video. You see, what you need to know is that there's one thing holding you back from making money online, and it's not what you think it is. It's not about traffic, it's not about fancy pants tools, it's not about funnels, and it's definitely not about working hard. Instead, it all comes down to getting someone to pull out their wallet and enter in their credit card number online to pay you. And that's the big problem. Getting someone to pay, especially a stranger online, is no easy task. I knew there was a better way. So that's why I developed Flare. With Flare, we've been able to pull in a minimum of $10K per month by simply getting people to click our links. They don't have to buy anything. As long as people are clicking, we're getting paid. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Grab a copy of Flare for a low one-time price by clicking on any of the buttons on this page. Do this now, as we'll be going back to a monthly price shortly. Step 2. Copy the pay link we give you inside of Flare. Step 3. Turn on the built-in traffic to start flooding your pay link with free clicks. Once people start clicking on this special link, we get paid. Now, you might be wondering, why are we getting paid $20 or more when someone clicks on my link? It's simple. There are businesses all around who partner with us and are willing to pay large amounts of money for traffic. And all you have to do is send traffic to the link we give you. It's as easy as that. So, how much will it cost you to get your hands on Flare? Well, we spent tens of thousands of dollars on the built-in traffic system inside of Flare. So it would be reasonable to charge $97, if not $297 every month. But for the early bird users of Flare, we're doing something special. If you act right now, you'll be able to get your hands on Flare for the price of a pizza pie. Just don't delay, as this is only available to the early adopters of Flare. And to remove all risk on your end, you're backed by our 100-day better than money back guarantee. Here's the deal. If you aren't able to see results with Flare, just let us know within the next 100 days of your purchase and we'll send every penny back. Heck, we'll even throw in $200 as a nice gesture. Either way, you win. The only way you lose is by not getting your hands on Flare. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get Flare at a low, one-time investment so you can start seeing results every time someone clicks their mouse. I'll see you inside.